Apple is the best company, or one of the best companies, at manufacturing holidays that celebrate itself. I'm just wondering what you're expecting from its latest on September 10th.
I mean, it's the trifecta of iPhones, and ultimately on iPhone 11, the Pro and the Pro Max are really the keys. And camera technology is really going to be the focus. The 3 lens in the back, and ultimately it comes down to the pent-up demand. We believe there's 350 million iPhones that are in a window of an upgrade opportunity, and ultimately if Apple could get 180 to 185 million of those, this is a stock that makes new highs regardless of what's happening with the noise right now in tariffs.
So I'm wondering what the price is going to look like, given the fact that the iPhone 10, really, there were some questions about whether demand was muted by the high price point. Where are we looking here?
Right now, in terms of everything we're seeing in the supply chain, you have $749 on the base model, which is in line with the XR. And on the Pro, it's going to be $999 on Pro Max, $1,099. Ultimately, I think the only thing I would point out, I do believe in China, you could see some price discounts as they go after that market. You have 60 to 70 million Chinese consumers in a window of an upgrade opportunity. That's the one thing I'd point out. Prices standard look the same, but I do think there could be a reduced price in China.
How much is riding on this rollout? I mean, honestly, Apple really has derived the vast majority of its income from the iPhone, and it is clear that there is a secular trend of people not upgrading as much and hanging onto their phones and just repairing them for longer. So, where are we in terms of that?
Yeah, if you go back even a few years, call it 26, 27 months, you had the average consumer upgrading. Now it's 34 to 35 months, ultimately about 3 years. The reason this is key, they got to put a fence around their backyard, given what's happening in Samsung domestically as well as internationally and lower cost competition in China. Everyone could talk about 5G going to next year, but right now they need to put an iron fence around their backyard, get the upgrade, because services, that's the 1-2 punch. So this is a key upgrade cycle for Cupertino and Cook, and that's why there's a lot riding on it so far.